Hey, what is up guys, Vanoss here. Today's video is a zombies video. Me, basically I do work, H2O Delirious, and 407 played the new map Buried, and it was a lot of fun. But we didn't really make it too far just because we're not the best zombie players, plus we didn't really know the map. But nonetheless, there's a few funny moments, so hope you guys enjoy this video, and I will talk to you guys later. Peace.
Delirious, I didn't know your mom was in this game.
The one on the right or the one on the left?
The one on the right.
Is this like a rock factory? Look.
This is where they build rocks. It's a gold mine.
Is it?
It's a gold mine, or a coal mine, probably.
They don't have those in Canada. Just imagine those are igloo blocks.
Each one of those is a tiny little iceberg.
Tiny little.
Tiny little iceberg. Fuck you. Look, the guy with the top hat.
Oh shit!
Off.
He did.
I'm getting raped! I got raped by 2 girl zombies.
That doesn't sound too bad.
I got you. You better watch out though. They ain't no telling what they got.
Alright, ready? Yay! Yo!
Oh yeah!
You slide on your knees! Look at him!
What is this?
What?
That was dope!
What the fuck is that?
What does it do?
Oh, that's so
Paralyzes
awesome.
them.
Oh.
It doesn't have ammo though. This is fucking awesome.
Winning.
Oh, I got the regular
Ray
gun.
gun!
Not too bad. I want one of those guns though. I want a new ray gun or the fucking alien gun.
Hey, the trampoline parts are up here.
What the hell's this? What is that?
Oh, you guys have seen my trap card, huh? Hiya!
Oh!
Oh!
Whoa!
No, you son of a bitch! I lost my ray gun. You fucking dick! It's the fucking
What
time
just
machine.
He turned back time.
I thought that was like a power up. You fucking dick.
Hiya!
Oh!
Whoa!
No, you son of a bitch! I lost my ray gun. You fucking dick.
Evan, there was a key right here on the wall, and I picked it up. So now I just gotta.
I fell through the window.
What if I shoot him?
He's gonna close the door, and then we're gonna
He's
have to go
preparing
find the key
for
again.
anal.
Watch out! Give him the alcohol. It's on the table.
Oh, me? Okay.
What happens if I stand in the way when you give him the alcohol?
Yeah, everybody stand in the way. Everybody stand in the way.
He's got.
Ah, fuck! He fucked me up. He fucked me up.
Oh,
He's like a fucking
dick.
linebacker.
Seriously, how would the zombies get right here? This is a fucking cheating spot right here.
This is a cheating spot.
They jump.
It's a cheating spot
They
right here.
jump.
Oh yeah, I got the new pistol. Oh, that's sick.
What kind of gun is that? Shoot him!
Oh yeah.
Oh my god!
Ah, fuck. There you
Colt
go.
45.
It's sick
Help
though.
me, mother!
The black guy dies first in this movie, motherfucker.
But Evan's the black guy, technically.
Oh, he is.
I am?
Yeah.
What does this thing do? Look at this. It's like a scepter of magical magicness. See that? What is that?
I don't know. Oh, I thought you broke it.
Look into
you go- can you go
your head's
inside it?
of it. Put your head inside of it. You look like a gay astronaut.
Look at Marcel.
I'm invincible inside of this thing. I know I am.
Jump on that. Jump on this side table where this bell is. Jump on it.
If
Yeah,
you watch
you
somebody
can't
else
see
do it,
other
nothing
than-
happens.
I'm on there.
Oh!
What's going
Oh
on?
my god! Don't!
What am I doing? Oh god, I'm getting raped.
It looks like he's eating you! That's the
No.
funniest thing I've ever seen in my entire life! Am I on it?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, here we go. He wants them boobies.
Oh my god, oh my god.
Revive us, we have a ray guns.
Oh my god. No, get the top off!
No, that doesn't help, you idiot. That doesn't help if you put it down now. You fucking.
I swear to God, if I fucking die here, I'd be so pissed!
You can always press.
Are you serious? I have a ray gun for the first time!
Alright, alright, alright.
Save me! Pick me up!
No, you're alive! You're alive! You're alive! Get up! Get up! You're just like lying prone. Get me up! Shit, reload, motherfucker! Oh god, oh god, oh god, I might die. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead.
Use a time bomb!
Okay.
Why not?
We already used it. We already used it. Hey, I'm up! I'm up! I'm running around! Aw, I was running around!
What round was that?
Hard.
It was around 8!
Nope.
Yeah, cause I got it like that. Flow so smooth like I got it on tap. Yeah, and I'ma say it be a good